Well, it's that time again. Mail call. Let's get into it right now. Here we go. And this is all I got. How's that? Now I'm teasing. This is from Kevin from Fountain Pen Revolution. And I will be doing a full review on it very, very soon. And here is the pen. We'll talk about all this and the nib. All right, Fountain Pen Revolution. Okay, I believe this is going to be a broad nib, I think. I'll have to check it out and see. All right, folks. Upcoming review on this FPR fountain pen. Later, folks.